Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix your DLC files are missing for Epic Games for Fivem, and it's the same process with Steam as well. Let me show it to you on Steam. So wherever you get, the game. So I actually got it from the Rockstar Games itself, you know, and let's say you got it from Steam or Epic Games. What you need to do is just open up Steam, go to your library, right click on the game. Let's say this is GTA 5. Okay, right click here, click on properties, and then when you come here to installed files, we get this option, verify integrity of the game files. Okay, go ahead and click on this and allow the verification process, guys, to complete fully. This may take some time, but let it happen. And after the verification, restart your computer. Now let me explain why we are doing this, because when you're installing, sometimes there might be files missing, some files may be corrupted, your antivirus happens a lot with Fivem. The antivirus deletes some of the files, and you're not able to run it, right? So check it out. Do the same thing with Epic Games as well, and that should fix your issue. Anyways, if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.